Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I recently purchased fake Beats by Dre earbuds. Let's see how well they mimic the original brand. At the front we can see the design of the earbuds, the B logo and the model, which is wireless 2 or 3. By the way, there's no such model in the Beats by Dre product line. At the back of the package you can see the specifications of the product like battery life, IP rating and so on. We have some Beats by Dre branding at the sides, and that's basically it. Let's just proceed to the unboxing. The first thing you will notice is how cheap the packaging appears to be. Let's see the contents inside the package. We have a user manual, which we always choose not to read, but thanks for including it anyway. We have a micro USB cable for charging the unit, additional ear gels for different ear fits. Finally, the storage and charging unit, which is made from plastic and it feels really cheap plastic. Of course, it has the B logo on the charging port. I actually like the idea of including a strap. The earbuds have a premium look and design. If someone is to show me these, I will definitely think they are from a premium brand. The earbuds, I believe they have a microphone at the bottom. They don't magnetically attract to each other. They have magnets that hold them to the storage unit. You can also see the power left in the storage unit with the LEDs. Before we proceed to the sound quality, let's see how we connect them through Bluetooth. Once you remove them from the case, they automatically enter pairing mode by blinking blue and red. On your smartphone you will see L2 as the device to be paired, and that's it. How about sound quality? Well, the overall sound quality is a disaster and it's opposite to the Beats. No bass at all, and I will definitely recommend it to no one, unless you really want to throw away your cash. Anyway, sincerely speaking, if you want true wireless earbuds, then look somewhere else. Although these earbuds offer the accessibility to voice assistants, that's where it ends. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.